Winter has arrived and the temperature is dropping rapidly. I wonder if everyone watching has put on their thermal underwear yet? Speaking of temperature, in China, installing an air conditioner is as easy as placing a one-click order. But in faraway Europe, trying to install an air conditioner for heating is as difficult as surviving in the frozen wilderness. The approval process takes forever. It's like a never-ending process. Beautiful and exquisite European-style windows simply can't accommodate an outdoor unit. And in the end, when you call to book an air conditioning technician, you're put off by labor costs that can be as high as €1,500. But in the past 2 years, a split-type portable air conditioner, which claims to be installable single-handedly in as little as 15 minutes, has taken the European market by storm. It's said to combine the convenience of a portable air conditioner with the performance of a household split unit. In its first season, it helped secure a spot on the 2025 Time Best Inventions list, and it sold out across Europe as soon as it hit the market. I can't help but wonder, is this really not just a marketing gimmick? So today, we've managed to get our hands on one. Without further ado, let's take a closer look. First of all, in terms of appearance, it has the typical structure of a split-type air conditioner, but the outdoor unit of this air conditioner is actually half the size of a regular one. The outdoor unit alone weighs only 9.9 kilograms, which is even lighter than my checked luggage. The designers took into account the complex shapes of European windows and specially designed a variety of brackets. When installing, users simply choose the corresponding bracket, no drilling required. Just snap the bracket in place, lift the unit, push it forward, and the installation is done. So how did they manage to make the outdoor unit so lightweight and easy to install? Let's take it apart and find out. When we opened up the outdoor unit, we found that inside there was only an axial fan and a condenser. So where did they hide the compressor, which is the core component and the main source of noise? I was shocked. The compressor is actually inside the indoor unit. That means the compressor is running right next to you every night. But the official specs say the noise level is only 39 decibels. How do they guarantee that? Let's keep taking it apart. We took another look at the partition surrounding the compressor and found that they used a 3-layer structure, 2 layers of soundproofing foam plus a soundproof cover, which maximizes noise isolation inside. Additionally, the fan blades are designed with a bionic ring-like curvature, which reduces airflow vortices and further lowers the noise. Alright, after talking so much, how does it actually perform in use? The only way to know is to try it out. Since the biggest feature of this air conditioner is its easy installation, we decided to conduct our test outdoors in a camper van this time. Right now, we're in a space about the size of a bedroom, roughly 15 square meters. The current temperature here is 20 degrees Celsius. Next, let's test how well it cools and heats together. We've set the heating temperature to 30 degrees, and you can see that the air outlet is angled downward. Friends watching in front of the screen, do you know why that is? Alright, we can see that the room is gradually warming up. 15 minutes have passed and we've reached 30 degrees. Next, with the room at 30 degrees, we'll switch to cooling mode and set it to 20 degrees. At this point, the air outlet has shifted to an upward angle, allowing the cool air to fall from above. 10 minutes have passed, let's take a look at the numbers. Although the weather may have had some effect, we can see that the room temperature quickly dropped to 20 degrees as well. Overall, it's pretty good. As you can see, this air conditioner truly combines the features of a split type and a portable air conditioner into one. I also took some time to explore its app, and it has all the standard features you'd expect from a regular air conditioner, such as energy-saving mode and negative ion air purification. I wonder if you in front of the screen have a different opinion about this product. We're really looking forward to your comments. Alright, this is Biotechnology, making high-tech easier to understand. See you next time.